So now let us start today's class. We continue the discussion of Markov sources. Now we are discussing a Markov statistical model for information source, entropy and information rate of Markov sources we are discussing now. So this was given to you. For the source of figure shown, find the entropy of each state. Entropy of the source, find G1, G2 and G3. Anybody has done entropy of each state, you can type H1 equal to H2 equal to in the chat box if you have already done it. Let me know how many of you have done. Yesterday I asked you people to do it. H1, H2, very good. Shripad, Pragati, Naik, Geeta, Praveen Patil, Abhay Bhatt, Shivani, Spurti, Simran, H2, H1, most of them they have done. Very good. I am very happy to see your answers. Chaitra, all are 1.5, correct. Rohan, Devidas, correct. Shivani, Vidya, Ritika. Okay, let me go to the next. Very good. This is the diagram was given. Just I will revise. And H1 equal to 1.5 bits I have shown yesterday. I don't know whether you have done or you have copied. But anyway, H2 is also 1.4 yesterday I have shown. And H3 also I have shown 1.5 bits per message symbol. And H will become 1.5 bits per message symbol. This is very easy and all of you know how to do it. Now we'll discuss a G1, G2 and G3. And I also told you find the probabilities of for the length of 1, 2 and 3. If you have done, well and good. Anybody can type if you have done probability for the length 1 at least. Probability of A, probability of B, probability of C. Or whichever the symbol is there in this particular example. I think we have X, Y, Z. Okay. Probability of X, probability of Y, probability of Z, you can type it. Naik 1 by 3 he is typing. Very good. G1, very good. Jay Surya 1.585. Shivani 1 by 3. Very good. Now, probability of X equal to 1 by 3. Majority has, okay, very good. Shahasan. And probability of Y equal to 1 by 3. Probability of Z equal to 1 by 3. G1 1.586. Nivedita. Okay. So G1 is correct. What majority are telling? 1.585 bits per message symbol I got. And H equal to 1.5 I got. So now, similarly I have to go for a G2. When I go to the G2, I have to consider a second order symbol, XX, XY like that. Anybody has done a second order probabilities, you can type for some probabilities, or if you have done already the G2 also you can type it. G2, very good. Abhay, 1.5, Pragati, many are done G2, 1.5 for Abhay, Abhishek, Rohan, Jaysurya. I think all are getting 1.5 only. Simran, Spurti, Adnya, Charan, Ritika, Preeti, 1.54 everybody is getting. Abhay Bhatt, very good. So considering this, and G3 also some students they have written. Karthik, very good. G3 they have done Abhay Bhatt. And others they have done G2. G3 Parmeshwar Hegde, 1.528, very good. Shilpa has done G3. Parameshwar Hegde, Nivedita has done G3, very good. G3 will take more time. I am happy to see G3 have done most of you. And G3 also the same procedure I had to follow. I got 1.528. I think Jaysurya also got same. Shilpa, Parameshwar, answers are same. Very good. Very happy to see your answers, which will take more time in the class to check your notebook. But here you can type it at a time, you can see 10 students' answers. Pragati 1.528, very good. Now, take this problem. Hope all of you understood how to find out G1, G2, G3. And G3, we finished. So, take this particular problem, you just copy down. I'll dictate also. For the first order Markov source, for the first order Markov source with a source alphabet S equal to A, B, C shown. For the first order Markov source with a source alphabet S equal to A, B, C shown, compute the probabilities of states. Compute the probabilities of states. Find h of s, comma h of s square. Write the solution. Copy down the state diagram. Then we will discuss completely this problem. Like this, another you can take a homework, but procedure will remain same. At least one will solve. So I will wait for another 20 seconds. Take A, B, C. Probabilities are P only. They are not mentioned 1 by 2, something like that. Probabilities are P, P, P is given. So let us go to the next slide. Now for the given state diagram, equations can be written as probability of A equal to P into probability of A plus P into probability of C. How to write? See here. One common idea I will give you. Consider incoming. Don't write in the exam, for your convenience. Consider the incoming and write down. Probability of A equal to. So one is coming from A to A with the probability of P. One is coming from C with the probability of P. Only these are the two coming inside. Therefore I am writing P into probability of A plus P into probability of C. Similarly you can write probability of B equal to probability of C equal to. Write down these three equations. Understand, you have 2 minutes time. Do it fast. Consider the probability of B. So B, from B to B, one is coming, another is coming from A. So therefore probability of B and probability of A, all probabilities are given are P only. P into probability of B, P into probability of A. If you consider C, one is coming from C to C only, another is coming from B to C. So therefore probability of C and probability of B we are taking into P is given probability. Write these equations, give the number for later reference. Equation number 5, probability of B equal to equation number 6, probability of C equal to, give as a equation number 7 for later reference. I'll give another 20 seconds. Try to write down the equation and understand. You should able to write like this equation for any given state transition diagram. In this problem statement, they are not given state probabilities. We are supposed to find out. How to find out the state probabilities, that only we are going to discuss in this particular problem. So let us go to the next slide. Now what you have to do, these are the equations you know already. All of us know probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C equal to what? I have to add all these three. 1. Chaitra, thank you. And now find out the P equal to. First equate all this. I want you people to find out P equal to what? P value. This plus this plus this. Type your answers in the chat box. Find P value. Fill the P value in the equation number 5. Write P of A equal to something, what you get. Find probability of A and probability of C relation. These three I want from you people in the chat box. P equal to 1 by 2, Prithviraj, Prajakta, Shruti, Nivedita, Simran, Sumit, Pragati, Ajna, Rohit, Shilpa, very good, Suhasini, Abhishek, Jhanvi, Siddharth, Varsha, Geeta, Abhay. All are getting 1 by 2 P equal to Chaitra, Bharat. Very good. Amrita, Vijayalakshmi, Karthik, all are getting 1 by 2. I want you people to find, fill this P in the value equation 5. Write product of A equal to. All of you typing P equal to or product of A equal to. Let me know. And second answer you write Rohan 1 by 2 is the answer. So P of A equal to, even if you first type P of A equal to, then others can write simply the answers. And next somebody can type P of A equal to something into P of C. A relation between the P of A and P of C. After filling the P value in the equation number 5, you will get the relation between the P of A and P of C. Okay, P of A equal to 2 into P of C, somebody is writing Pragati. Chaitra, P of A equal to 2 into P of C. Okay. Nivedita is also writing P of A equal to 2 into P of C. Let me check my answer also. Vineet, P he wrote, but I don't know what the answer is typing. P of A equal to 2 into P of C. Spurti, Simran. Check your answers. Yeah, Parmeshwar got P of A equal to P of C. Correct. Naik got P of A equal to P of C. Rohit got P of A equal to P of C. Vidya got P of A equal to P of C. Sumit also got P of A equal to P of C. Check your answers. Gaura, correct. P of A equal to P of C. Shilpa got P of A equal to P of C. P of A equal to P of C is correct answer. Cross verify. I'll give you 1 minute. Do it fast. Devidas, P of A equal to P of C. Praveen, P of A equal to P of C. Those who are not doing, simply they are copying. You may go wrong. Do it. It will become a practice. So that in the IA exam, main exam, you can solve very easily. Because you will be having a practice. P of A equal to P of C. Nivedita. Okay, good. Shivani, P of A equal to P of C. Correct. Then let me go to the next slide. Fill P equal to half in equation number 6. Find P of B and P of A relation. Now add P of A plus P of B plus P of C equal to. Therefore P of A equal to. Just do these things and type your answers in the chat box. Fill P equal to half in the equation number 6. You will get the relation between P of B and P of A. Now add all these three. Therefore P of A equal to what you will get. Okay, 1 by 3. P of A equal to, very good. P of B equal to P of A. Priya Patil. Simran, P of A equal to P of B. Priya Patil 1 by 3, Chaitra P of A equal to 1 by 3, Nivedita, good. Devidas P of A equal to P of B, good. Vineet Sakaria 1 by 3, Shilpa and Nayak, Geeta, Parmeshwara, Abhay Bhatt, all are getting 1 by 3. Sripad, Preeti, Rohit, Saujanya, okay. 1 by 3 and P of A equal to P of B is correct. Sharan, Siddharth, Karthik, Rohan, Shivani, all are getting 1 by 3. Jaysurya, Bharat Kulkarni and Suhasini Mishrikoti, P of A equal to P of B. Prajakta, 1 by 3. Good. So I'll show you the slide. You can cross verify. Those who have not done, they can copy also. Rahul Raj, 1 by 3. Vidya Kalkeri, P of A equal to 1 by 3. Correct. Now, go through. I'll give you 1 minute time. Just see the steps. If your answer also same, well and good. If it is different, you can copy down. Probability of B equal to probability of A is correct. Probability of A equal to probability of B equal to probability of C equal to 1 by 3 I got. If anybody's answer is different, you can just cross verify so that you can continue. Another 10 seconds, then we'll go to the next slide. So let us go to the next slide. Now find HA, HB, HC, H of S. All of you know how to find HA, HB and HC. Equation are given in the slide. Do it fast. HA equal to product of AA log 1 by product of AA, product of AB log 1 by product of AB, plus product of AC log 1 by product of AC. Fill the values. Find HA. Similarly, find out HB. Find out HC. And once if you get HA, HB, HC, then you can find a H. You can type your answers HA equal to in the chat box if you are completed. Then you can type HB, then you can type SC, then you can type H. I am sure within 2 minutes some students will tell HA. Very good. Bharat, Projekta 1.5. Answers are different. HA 1.0. Projekta, is it HA or not? Just check it. HA equal to 1 bit per second. Sumit got. And we'll see few more answers. After that, we'll conclude. 1.5 HA equal to somebody. Remember, you have to take base 2. Shilpa, HA equal to 1.05. 1.5, 1.5. Shivani. Chaitra 1, Charan 1.05, Pragati 1.5, Karthik 1.5, Nayak 1.5, Simran 1.5. Majority are getting 1.5. Let me show you the answer. Just check your answer. The given is P log 1 by P, P log 1 by P. Product of AC, whether it is there or not, simply should not fill. There is nothing is there, A to C. Therefore, it is 0. Spurti has written correct, 1. Don't simply fill everywhere P. If it is there, then only you fill it. I think few students, Chaitra Kulkarni has told 1. And only few students they are told correct answer. Chaitra Kulkarni and Spurti. These two students they are written correct answer. Check it. Okay, let me go to the next. Can you find out HB? At least that you should do it correct. Write on the HB equal to. Let me see your answers. Then you can compare your answers. HB equal to 1, Sumit Desai is typing very good. I am happy because you are giving the answer. Right or wrong, we will see it later. Jannavi, Nivedita, Pragati, Ajna, Spurti, Suhasini, Rohit, Shivani, Shilpa, Nayak, Preeti, Prajakta, Amrita, Vidya, Bharat, Varsha, Geeta, Jaya, Jayasurya, Shruti, Rohan, all are getting 1, then it should be correct. Find out HB. HB also 1. HC is writing. Chaitra Kulkarni, very good Chaitra. HC is 1, she is writing. Let me check with the others. And Sumit Desai, Abhishek, Pragati, all are getting HC equal to 1. Shilpa, Preeti, Abhay, 2 are there I think. Rohit, Rohan, all are getting 1. Then HC equal to 1 may be the correct answer. So find out SC. SC is equal to 1 bit per message symbol. I think Vineet, Varsha, so all are telling. Those who have completed, find out H equal to now. Devidas 1 SC equal to, and those who have completed HHPSC, you find out H equal to. Shruti H equal to 3. Okay, H equal to 1. Sumit Desai. Bharat 1.5. Abhishek 1. Abhay 1. Pragati 1. Saujanya 1. Chaitra Kulkarni 1. Shripad is also telling 1. Majority are telling 1, but few students they are told other than 1 answer. Just cross verifying. Karthik Gangir 1. Amrita, Shilpa, Shivani 1. Majority are telling 1 only answer. Beginning 2 students they wrote something different. Jayasurya Reddy 1. Nayak Lohit is getting 1.5. Please check it. Okay, I'll show you the answer. Prajakta 1. Gaura 1. Suhasini 1. H of S is a 1. Vidya, check it. Why it is 1.5? Nayak, Lohit Nayak and Vidya Kalkeri. Please check it. I'll give 1 minute time for you. See the slide where you went wrong. Just check it. And those who have completed H of S, write down H of S square equal to. Simply all of us know H of S square equal to 2 into H of S. 2 into 1. You'll get 2 bits per message symbol. Good. Priya 2, Nivedita, Geeta, Prajakta, Adnya, Vineet, Shripad, Abhay, Rohit, Varsha, all are getting correct. Siddharth, Devidas 2. Answers Rohan. Okay, Vidya HFS equal to 1. Correct. Shivani 2, Shilpa also is getting 2. HFS square. Correct. So another 2 seconds, we'll go to the next slide. Okay. Hope most of you have completed this. And those who are doing, take this as a homework. Try to do it for your benefit. Consider the state diagram. Compute the state probabilities. Find the entropy of each state. Find the entropy of the source. I'll give a maximum 2 minutes. Hope you can complete. Consider the state diagram. Compute the state probabilities. Find the entropy of each state. Find the entropy of each state. Find the entropy of the source. Find the entropy of each state means H1, H2, or now in this example HE, HB, HC, HD. Find the entropy of the source means I have to find out H. Procedure will remain same. Try to copy down this. Copy down the probabilities properly. Direction also. Even in the main exam or IA exam, if you copy down the wrong while copying the probability or direction, everything will go wrong. Your answers will be wrong. So it's better after copying the state transition diagram in your notebook or in your paper, cross verify it twice before you start writing the answer. So I'll give another few seconds, so try to complete the diagram also. Probabilities don't get confused, and even in the exam also you also write down the probabilities properly. Direction also you write down properly in the exam, IA or main exam. And try to highlight the answers. For example, what they have asked, find the entropy of each state. That you have to highlight HA equal to, HB equal to, SC equal to, HD equal to. That you have to highlight. And then what you have to highlight? Find the entropy of the source. H equal to you have to highlight. If all are correct, you will get a complete marks. If these are wrong, we'll check it inside whether the equation is correct or not, like that. So it's better to highlight whatever they are asking, that answer you have to highlight first, so that you can go reverse if something is wrong. So let us go to the next. Hope all of you have copied this particular homework. We'll go to the next slide. We'll skip this. Slides are there, answers are there. I don't want to spend again a lot of time for this. Again, it takes a lot of time. Procedure will remain same. You can note down HA is 0.971, HB I got 1, SC 0.971, HD equal to 1 bit, and H becomes 0.9839 just for cross verification. And now we'll start the next. Hope all of you have copied this in your notes. Have you copied? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Majority are saying yes, I have to believe. Very good. Then there is no problem if you have copied. So what you can do, we'll go to this. So read it twice. You were asked to design. We will finish this, then we'll go back to that problem if time permits. First we will finish this chapter. Then we'll go back to that problem statement if time permits. Read it. You are asked to design an information system which gives information every year for about 200 students passing out with a BE Electronics and Communication degree from a certain university. The students can get into one of three fields as given below. Go abroad for higher studies, it is treated as a A state. Join MBA or civil services, it is a B state. Join industries in India, it is a C state. Based on the data given below, construct the model for the source and find source entropy. Means you have to find out H only. On the average, 100 students are going abroad. Total are 200. Out of 100 going abroad this year, 50 were reported going abroad next year, while 25 each went to MBA and civil services or joined industries in India. And this information I have to use. Out of 100 remaining in India, this year 50 continue to do so, while 50 went abroad next year. Those joining MBA and civil services or industry could not swap the two fields next year. Actually, instead of giving a diagram, he will give the text. What you have to do, you have to convert this text into a diagram, state diagram. And once, if you write a state diagram, remaining procedure, you know how to find out H1, H2, H3 or HA, HB, HC, how to find out H. Only the problem, how it differs is, you have to convert this information into first a source, a state diagram. Then you have to follow the same procedure. So let us take how to do it. Solution you write down. Go abroad for higher studies, take it as a state. Joining MBA or civil services, take it as a B. Joining industries in India, take that state as a C. And there is no rule that you have to take in the straight line, but we know B and C, they never interchange. They are told. Therefore, we are keeping B and C away. Otherwise, you would have taken in the triangular fashion. In exam, if you are getting confusion, no problem. You can take like in the triangular fashion instead of straight line. Why we took is B and C, there is no chance of exchanging. He has told in the problem statement only. Even if you do not understand in the exam, you can write like a triangle also, no problem. Answer will remain same. HA, HB, SC will remain same. Total students are 200. 100 students are going abroad. Therefore, A equal to 100. So, try to understand this. Hope up to this all of you are following. So, let us take next. Abroad is A, joining MBA or civil services is a B, joining industry is C. So, now total 100 are there in the abroad. Next, what he has given, 50 were reported going abroad next year. Means how much percentage I have to write in terms of probability. So, 50 were reported going abroad next year. Total now existing are 100. 50 are going. What is the probability will become Can you type in the chat box? 50 are going out of 100 abroad again, 1 by 2. So use that 1 by 2. Simply write abroad to abroad only, half a probability. So now, next statement. If we give other than 50, procedure will remain same. Take that divided by 100, you will get some probability. That you have to write. So let us go to the next. While 25 each went to MBA and civil services or joined the industries in India, out of 100, 25 means how much will be the probability? 1 by 4. Bharat, very good. Sumit, 1 by 4 they are going to wear MBA and civil services, also joining the industry. So 1 by 4 I have to consider for B as well as C. Please try to understand. I will show you once again. Read this carefully. Observe the slide carefully. See here. 25 each went to MBA civil services. Hence A to B. 25 means 1 by 4. Next second, another 25 I joined industries in India. 25 means 1 by 4. They joined industries. Hope all of you understood this. So just take a minute and copy down this. Preparing this hardly 4 slides, I took more than half an hour. You may like this, but to do this, the effort is more. Copy down this, we'll go to the next. Only the state diagram, even you can copy it at a time, but I'm pausing so that you can think and you can understand, you can read it, you can observe it. That's the reason I'm pausing for a minute. So let us go to the next. The next statement is, see, out of 100 remaining in India this year, 50 continued to do so, while 50 went abroad next year. Again, out of 100 remaining in India this year, 50 continued to do so. Means 50% are going to be in the India only. Means 50 continued out of 100, it will become a half. So therefore, I will get a half out of 100 remaining in India this year, 50 continue to do so. So therefore, from India, within the India, they will be in the, this is I think simulation has changed. Just a minute. This is the correct answer. I will show you once again. From India, 50%. Okay, they are in the India only. Remaining 50% they will go to abroad. Therefore, I think it will come here. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, 50 went to abroad. Okay, so 50%. Slide is changing. 1 minute. I'll come back. Just a minute. Okay. So I think simulation now it's working. So 50 went to. Just a minute. It's difficult to adjust every time. Okay. 50 went to abroad. So out of 150 will become a 100, 1 by 2, 100 by 50. So therefore I am showing a 1 by 2 and remaining will be in the India only. For them I am taking a half and half. So just read this. Out of 100 remaining in India this year, 50 continue to do so. Means half will remain in the India only. Remaining half will go abroad. Therefore by 2 again I am showing it to the abroad. So this will become a diagram. Once if your diagram is ready, solving is not a problem. All of you know how to find out HA, HB, HC, how to find out H. But converting the statements, what they have given into this diagram is very important in the beginning. So just copy down this. We'll go to the next slide. They make you directly this diagram, or sometimes they will give the text and you have to convert that into a diagram. then you have to solve. Procedure will remain same. How to find H, A, H, B, H, C will remain same, and how to find H also remains same. Only the extra is converting that information into this diagram. So let me go to the next. Okay, so this is a diagram. Okay, now we'll solve this. Write the equation for P of A equal to P of B equal to P of C equal to. Fast. We'll solve this. How to write P of A equal to, all of you know. Product of B equal to, product of C equal to. Solve the equation and find the product of A equal to, B equal to, C equal to. Then find HA, HB, HC. Find H. State probabilities you will get first, then find out H, A, H, B, H, C. You can take all capital only, and using H, A, H, B, H, C, find out H. At least you can write P of A equal to within 2 minutes. The same procedure what you had done for a previous problem. First you have to write the equation the way how you have written equation 5, 6, 7 in the previous example. Then you have to solve for product of A, product of B, product of C equal to the same way how you have done in the previous example. Once if we get, okay, very good. Prithviraj wrote product of A equal to half. We'll see others answer also. Rahul 1 by 2. Very good. Very fast, most of you. So within 2 minutes they are telling the answer. Parmeshwar 3 by 2, P of A equal to 3 by 2, Saujanya. 3 by 2, Rohan. Geeta 3 by 2. Oh, 3 by 2 is many. Aditya, Nivedita, Ritika, Charan. 3 by 2, majority are getting. Please check it, those who are told in the beginning. Karthik 3 by 2. Rohit 3 by 2. Vijay Lakshmi, Amrita, Shahasan. If pronunciation is not correct, I will ask you people. Parmeshwar. Majority 3 by 4. Parameshwar is 3 by 4. Product of B equal to his writing. Okay. Product of B equal to 3 by 4. Majority are writing. Product of C equal to anybody's writing. Shivani 3 by 2. Product of B equal to 3 by 4. Amrita. C equal to Parameshwar is writing 3 by 4. B equal to 3 by 4. Very good. So let me show you the answer. And I got product of A equal to 1 by 2. Just cross verify what you got. See the equations. If something is wrong, let me know also. Product of C equal to 3 by 4, majority are getting. And product of B, I'll show you. C equal to, I got 1 by 4. Please check it. Your answers are entirely different. Let me show you the product of A. Please check it. I'll pause for a minute. So please check it. P of A equal to. I don't know, somebody, majority A equal to, let me check what all you have told. A equal to 3 by A equal to, it has come in the beginning. I think 1 by 4 majority are writing. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Srijana has typed 1 by 2. Shilpa has given 1 by 2. Siddharth 1 by 2. Charan 1 by 2. Parameshwar 1 by 2. Okay, it's correct. Majority has written 1 by 2. So let me go to the next. HB equal to what they have written. HB equal to somebody. HA is correct, majority. HB equal to 1 by 4 is there, majority. Okay. HB equal to 1 by 4. HC equal to, anybody has changed. Some students answers are different, but majority have written 1 by 4 only. So please cross verify. I think I gave you the 1 minute. For this also I will give you another 1 minute. Find out HA, HB, HC. Those who have got probability of A, probability of B, probability of C correct, use these probabilities. Find out HA, HB, HC. Find out H. HA equal to I have given already 1.5 bits. Shall I go to the previous slide? I think 1 by 2 everybody has told. Probability of A equal to everybody has written correct. Probability of B and C you just check it. Equation number 9 and 10 you have to fill. Na? So HB, HC you calculate and find out H also. I got 1 bit per message symbol. SC I got 1 bit per message symbol, and H equal to majority have given the answer. It is a 1.25 bits per message symbol. Jahnavi, Shripad, I think H equal to correct 1.25. Charan, Abhishek Kulkarni 1.25. Majority have given the answer 1.25. Geeta, Adnya 1.25. So let me go to the next. Majority have got the same answer. Rohit, Varsha, Vidya, Karthik 1.25. Okay. So now let us go to the next. Take this as a homework. I will not solve it. The state diagram of Markov source shown in figure. Find the entropy H of the source. To find the entropy of H of the source, you have to find out H1, H2. Find the entropy H of the source. Find G1, G2 and G3 and verify that G1 is greater than G2 is greater than G3 is greater than H. So copy down, and those who are having doubts, you can type in the chat box so that I will clarify now, or I can clarify you in the next class. If the time permits, we'll do now. If other teacher is coming, then they need a 5 minutes to set up. I think today is Tuesday. You have a Python class. I think sir will take today Python class, and I'll wind up after few minutes. Hope all of you copied this. This is answers. I will not discuss now. The tree diagram. So this itself will take another 15-20 minutes. We will not solve, but just shown you people. Yeah, I want you people to think on this. Try to write the state diagram now. We want to design a system to report the heading of a collection of 400 cars. Read it, try to write down the state diagram. Take a minute or two. I'll read it. Out of 200 cars that reported heading straight during a reporting period, 100 of them reported going straight during the next reporting period, 50 of them reported turning left during the next period, and 50 of them reported turning right during the next period. Sometimes it irritates you, but observe carefully sentences. So left means you can take a L as a left side, R as a right side, straight means S as a middle. It will be easy to write the probabilities. And on the average, out of 100 cars that reported as turning during a signaling period, 50 of them continued their turn during the next period, and the remaining headed straight during the next period, reporting period. See, next year you have taken for the university, that whatever you have taken abroad, going abroad, next year we have taken, here next turn we are talking, that's all. The dynamics of the cars did not allow them to change heading from left to right or right to left during the subsequent reporting period. Means there also I discussed the same way. Those who are doing, I think we took within India, they cannot change industry. Those who are working and those who are doing MBA and all, they cannot change like that. It almost looks the same. Only the wordings are different. The instead of MBA etc., they are taking a left right. That's all. So let me. This is a diagram how you'll get. I'll show you. Just I've shown you. You try straight. I've taken center. Left. I've taken L. Right means I've taken right. So based on the how many cars are moving right or left, based on that probabilities you will get. Simply I'm putting those probabilities. The same thing using a black and white. Just have taken a diagram. So this is the end of your this particular chapter. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. And another few minutes are remaining. Sir will engage the class next our Python. Any doubts if you have, you can write in the chat box.